welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and let's keep the family growing. Hey, let's keep the family growing. Okay, so my voice is gone because I've been sick lately, but happy Easter to everyone and welcome to this video where I make over this amazing dollhouse. I think it's amazing, the after, and I'm going to give that as a gift to my son for Easter, so let's go.
So I got this little bad boy from Marketplace for $8, and that's because it's pretty damaged. It had some water damage on it. As you can see, that's discoloration, and it was wobbly in some spots. The stairs was broken off, and the second floor board was very damaged. And then on the side, at the very bottom, there was a lot of water damage. I cleaned it up as best as I can, but there's still watermarks and spots.
Okay, so it looks like the bottom of this got wet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the bottom entirely and replace it. Okay, so I removed the bottom of it. So now I'm gonna take it out to the yard. I'm just gonna spray paint all here first before I replace the bottom. And my son wants a snack. Yeah, let's get a snack. Okay. This is it so far. I actually ended up kicking out the back for both the first and second floor because I saw some water damage on it. I cut off that bottom piece of this, and I just added some of my own wood to it. I have this thing which is a cardboard. It's the back of one of the bookcases I never used, so I'm gonna see if I can put it behind this. So let's try that. But what I did, so I painted the inside, I painted the outsides, I painted the roof black, and I replaced the rotten piece that was at the bottom here. I only did it to one side. I replaced the string. It was originally like pink, so I replaced it with a black yarn, and I painted this little piece black. The elevator is currently drying because I painted that. Here I'm just going to do like a little gate kind of thing. Right here I have a big piece of wood I'm going to put right here to replace the bottom. So what's gonna happen is that once I replace it, it's going to have like extra on the side. So I'm probably just gonna make that like a little garage so he can put his cars right there or something, park his cars, I don't know. Don't mind my shoes, don't mind this giant ABC thing. I used a long time ago. That was in my playroom, and now I have to figure out what I want to do with it. Anyways, yeah. Put this down. Okay, so I try to make a little sticky notes of what I'm gonna put where. So the bath is over here, the kitchen, and it's gonna have like a little maybe outdoor dining. I'm probably gonna try to make this a little bit bigger, who knows. I have this leftover kind of like wooden paper thing, so I'm thinking of making this floor that color. Okay, so I added on to this by being very extra and adding pocket holes so that I can add these two pieces together. And what I'm thinking is doing some kind of felt to do false grass so that I have so that we have a little side yard. And I'm probably gonna cut these up to make like a little fence, maybe up here, not probably here. I have to secure this in this partition so that this is the bathroom and then this is the dining room. Okay, so I got a frame and I just cut off the bottom of it, and it comes with a back, so I have to cut that down as well. And I'm going to paint it, I'm going to paint it black on the inside. But what I'm going to do is turn this into fireplace. So yeah, I'm going to be using these right here to make it stick out a little bit, like so. And then this is going to go all the way in the back, like so. And then it'll be black so that it'll look like a chimney. I mean a fireplace. Yes. And then I cut up a strip of wood to put on top. Boom. Okay, so I went ahead and I painted this white and I painted the inside black. Okay, so I have these caps from old drinks and I have some of this, so I'm going to use that to make a fan. I'm gonna cut off maybe a quarter of these and then hot glue it to that. So when you hang it up, it looks like a fan. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint it black. So ta-da! And here you go. Which I'm gonna put right up here. Ta-da! So now we have a fan and a fireplace. Sticks. A skewer and turn it into a ladder. So I decided to use a piece of wood instead, and I'm just going to use this cardboard as backing for it. And I'm going to put it maybe on like some beads for the legs. Oof, look at my hands. At least the paint is almost gone. So I'm gonna do that.
The paint almost gone.
And cover it up with fabric. And I'm just gonna do, you know, some arms and stuff. So yeah, let's get to it. Black leather, and I have this giant bag of leftover filling, so I'm gonna use that. Let's get started. Please subscribe. I got a picture of a fire and some logs from my backyard that I cut down,
So I'm gonna cut this up and put it into the fireplace and glue some of these in there. So so cool. So I forgot to show you guys, but I went ahead and I did a Thomas TV. All I did was print out a picture of Thomas the Train, my son's current favorite TV show, and I had glued it to cardboard that I painted black so it looks like it's a TV. That's what he wanted to watch, so I went ahead and I did that for him. Found this very cute Easter egg, and there's animal themed ones. So what I'm gonna do for Easter, I'm going to put these in the dollhouse for my son to find in the morning, and I'm going to put the animal one in his little barn. And yeah, so that's gonna be our Easter. So Liam is extremely excited, and I told him that we have a special treat for him. Obviously I couldn't hide the dollhouse as I was making it over, so he knows it's there. He's played with it a bunch, but so I hid all the treats as you saw in the dollhouse. So we're going to go ahead and give it to him. Are you ready, Bubba? Are you ready? Come on, let's go. Do you see the doll? Look, do you see the dollhouse? I hid a bunch of special treats in there for you. Do you want to look? Let's see if you can find it. Oh, you found one already? Let's see.
Wow.
What's in it?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? Oh, goodness. Mmm. So you found one chocolate. This video is not sponsored by Kit Kat. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, may your hair game be as strong as your coffee game. Yes, baby.
Hi guys.
My son says hi. I love your latte.
I love to play trains.
You love to play trains?
Yeah.
Really? Come here. I caught you now! Ah! Yes, my love.
I caught you first.
Yes. I caught you first.
No.
Who caught you first? Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and build a train set. So I'm gonna end the video here. Alright, bye!
Bye! Just study.
He still haven't found those.